I'm scared, y'all. Try the process. I'm gonna go ahead and try a quick weave. I've never done one of these before. I'm hoping that it turns out okay, just because I'm not looking right now and we have to glow up. We have to just do something. I've been really feeling a bob hairstyle, just a short blunt bob. I don't want to cut my real hair just because my tastes always change and I always want to do something different. So we're gonna try this out. I got everything that I use here. It's at my local beauty supply. I just faded my hair. Sideburns are out just because I looked at like 5 YouTube videos. Put this on first, like me. I don't know, I guess it gets hot. Put this on. I have the mesh dome cap. Just trying to see if this will fit. I think that's good. Yeah, it'll do. What is it called? Moroccan Argan Oil Weave Wonder Wrap. I feel like my braids in the back could be put down more, but I have like 10 bobby pins already. Going in, y'all. I'm going in. Doesn't need to be perfect, y'all. Is that good, y'all? Is that enough on my head? Oh, I've been thinking I've been using a lot. I feel right here. We're just going with the flow, y'all. The hair that we'll be using, I purchased it for $13. And I must say, it's pretty good. It's human and tangle free. And look at it. Actually, like a lot shorter. We're doing a bob, so we do not care. First, we just start off and we measure it on the back of our head. I think I'm gonna like do it ear to ear. We're gonna go ahead and cut this. It's done. I don't think I need a lot. It's kind of like when you put on strip lashes, you gotta make sure the end's secure because you don't want your tracks lifting. A lot of glue, but we need it to stay. Is this the fast drying one? It says Super Bond. Now that I know it's kind of like an eyelash, I think we'll get along all right. We're supposed to wait until it's happier. I want to get my gloves. Got our gloves. Make sure the back is down too. You don't want one piece to be laying flat and the other one lifting up. First one done. I feel like I'm in a shop. I reline it up. Yeah, that's cool. That's cool. So I'm about to speed it up until I get to the front and listen to some music. Cue speed. There's some spots where it just feels like, you know, like a little hump, but I figured since I put the shower cap on, I can easily like adjust my braids and make them more flatter. The bang part, the banging, this glue has actually held out. I don't know how much left is in here. I feel like I'm almost done, to be honest with you. I've been doing it for like an hour so far, but we got this. I'll be looking slayed. Slayed. I'm struggling to see. I got these from Beauty Supply too, so it ain't the best, but it's better. I cut off the last piece of hair for the closure. I look crazy right now, but don't mind that. I don't even know what I'm supposed to be watching for. Like, it's supposed to get flatter or what? Are we just gonna go ahead and roll it? Gotta put the glue on it first. I look so emo right now. Every time I twist it, pushing it together. It looks like put a little part in it. Because when it's on, I just want it to do what it do. Doing it, I feel so accomplished. Now it looks like a little spider. Just grab this, ease it in there, and then smash it. What should prevent the cone on top of our heads. Smash, 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 smash. I've been going through the flux. Like the video, make sure you subscribe if you have not subscribed. The closure is ready. Add some glue here. That's how much I put up there. Blow it. I don't think it's gonna be like that difficult. Sticking up. I feel like it's on top of something. Use this to kind of pat it down a little. I look crazy right now, but do we care? Maybe a little bit. It's necessary. I'm ready to cut. I'm scared, y'all. I'm loving it though. Look okay. Don't judge me, trust the process. It still look crazy. I parted the bang of what I wanted. Exactly sure if perfect. My eyes might be messed up, so tell me in the comments if I washed it, okay? Like it looks fine. In 3 sections. 1, 2. It's rough at the end. Let me tell y'all a little secret, okay? I've never been good with cutting. I cut my own hair in high school, ended up with 3 different layers. Janice the stylist. I feel like Sia. On and on for tonight. Don't you know? Come open my eyes, open my eyes. Look how thick it is. Can't even see. I feel like I'm getting ready for the 80s. I'll take the wig off. My hair gets stuck to these bobby pins, y'all. Exactly why I use a shower cap, because I just know I want to take it out sometime. I need to cut it a little shorter. It's in my face. I can't see. This ain't gonna work. What is this? We were doing so good, y'all. I'm having such a tough time right now. I look what I look like. A hot mess. I fix this bang. Look at my bang, y'all. Y'all, it look crazy. I don't know what to do, y'all. I do not have my hair license, nor am I a wizard to fix this. I feel like if I kind of fix the front a little bit, we could probably get by. Should have got a professional to do this. This is it. Like, I boosted myself up and was just like, okay, it's giving bouncy. It's giving that I've spent here, that I've been sitting here and doing it. So it's gonna give. I am happy that I can just take it off though. But tell me what you guys think. If I should do something different, or if you have experience, like how can I resurrect these bangs? I was thinking about going shorter. So tell me what you guys think about that. It is different, but I've not been so long. And so I don't know if it's just because I need to get used to it or if it's looking like so. Let me know in the comments what you guys are thinking, what you guys are feeling, any tips or whatever, because I would love some constructive feedback to try next time. I look like I could be on Kill Bill. Yeah, I'm kind of feeling it. I feel like it just probably needs to grow on me. Maybe if I add some lashes, I feel like it's giving very dramatic. And I'll know for next time not to cut so much bang at once. Or like when I make the closure, to kind of put more of the hair towards the back. I did add a lot of hair to the front. Let's move on with our day.